Hello there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Will at Leaders Road, and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to talk about BingX. On my previous video we had a full review about this project, about this site. It's not a project, it's a site. It's actually a crypto exchange company. They are acting also as a broker. They are offering different tools for traders. They have grid trading, and they are also offering a service called copy trading, and we were covering that one in my previous video. On that video I was showing you how to get started, how to deposit, how to find the right guys, the right traders to copy. Since then I just let it run, and right now, well, I have some results that I want to share with you. Before we go there, just keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not allowed to give you any financial advice, so do your own due diligence, do your own research, because I'm just sharing my experiences with these sites. Also, if this is your first time here, and if you want to find out how to generate passive income inside the DeFi space, I want to invite you to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications from this channel. Constantly I'm releasing videos about these topics. I will appreciate your likes. If you have any questions, you can leave those down below in the comment section, or you can find me on Telegram. You will find the link to my group in the description of this video. Alright, so this BingX update is just to show you my results. I jumped on this on Thursday last week. These guys didn't trade. They didn't have any actions during those days. Come here. I chose to go with these two guys. I like Bear and Tum Tum. I got some gains with these guys, as you can see. If we go inside just to see the details of this one, trade history, this is what we got. This was performed on Saturday. He was performing for a little while. We just copy what he was doing. I put on this one 350. The margin I set it up on 70 USDT for each trade. So each time he was jumping in with a trade, I was using 70 USDT from my total. But that's it. He only performed on Saturday. The same happens here with Tum Tum. This is the rock star of the moment. He has some insane gains in the last 30 and 90 days. I did exactly the same. I put 350 on this one, same strategy. He gave me some gains. He's mainly doing short trades, and this was on Monday. Since then, these two guys are not trading. They have great results, but they are not constant. They are not there every single day. And we are expecting them to be there, but this is not a bot. As I told you, these are real traders. If they want to jump on this on one specific day, one specific time, we don't know how they plan their strategy. Or maybe they just come here to collect some profits and then go for holidays. We were discussing that in my Telegram group, because these guys have insane gains. The winning ratio is super high, and I have a list of the most profitable traders. This Tum Tum guy has a winning rate of 72%. Every time he jumps in, he has an average profit of 24%. So those are serious results. Nothing much happening these days. They are not trading. So what I want to do now is I actually been searching for new traders, another couple of guys with great results, so I want to copy them. And I was thinking, should I just increase the deposit in each one of these traders? Or maybe I just better copy another two guys, another two traders. And I think that's a better decision at this point. It's always better to diversify in case one of these guys doesn't perform well. We have the winnings of the others just to back it up. And probably with the future earnings, what I can do is take those and put it back in all of those traders. As I mentioned already, BingX has been in the market already for a few years. If you check for videos, let's say of 6 months ago, they had some traders with amazing results as well. But those traders right now, they closed their accounts or they went to zero. Some of them they lost. So I think right here what we need to do is keep checking for new traders, constantly keep changing those, because the strategies might change in a near future. And that's why I'm making this list of the best traders inside BingX, just to help me make a better decision in terms of finding the right trader. If you want to have a copy of this one, you can go to my Telegram group and find it in the pin messages. I have it there. So in the end, this kind of stats can help us to make a better decision. I have already a couple of guys that I want to copy today, because if we go to, let me show you, if I go to this one, we can see here the current positions. None of those are open, and the same is happening with Tum. Current positions, they are not working. But if we go to a different guy, just like this one, you can see here we have current positions. They are actually trading, and I check in the last couple of days, they've been pretty active. Trade history. The people that is copying this guy, these are the kind of results that they are having by copying his strategy. We also, let me show you here, we have results of 8% in the last 7 days. This one, 98% in the last 30 days. In 90 days, 452%. The risk is a little bit high on this one, but the winning ratio, it's 95%. This is not a new account. He's been running for already 117 days. The average holding time, almost 2 days, 1 day and 21 hours. And here in my list, I have some others that I found quite interesting. All of those actually that I have in this list, they have good results. In my previous video, I was showing you how to find the right traders to copy. Let me show you just real quick how to do that, because they are giving us some suggestions, right? Trending traders, more conservative ones, but obviously the results are also lower. That doesn't mean that it's a bad result. Those results are amazing too. But compared to these strategies, those ones are more aggressive and riskier. If you want to find more traders, what you can do is click here in filter. The purpose with this is to find the standard future trades. The important features that you need here is check the type of ROI that you want to see in the last 30 days. Could be you want to see accounts that are making already from 100 to 200% a month, or 40%, 60% as a minimum winning rate. The risk, maybe you don't want to risk too much, and in that case you can go to a maximum to a 6, and starting from 3 winning ratio. It's up to you, but maybe you want to see accounts that are performing super well, giving you at least 50% in winning ratio. Those are the main features that you need to set here. Then you click in confirm. It's gonna gather those traders. Then what you can do is go to each one of those accounts, check if they are currently trading, if they have any position open, how much the copiers are making, and of course all the data that they are giving us here. So yeah, that's basically what you need to do. I'm gonna add 2 more traders to my account. I already deposit. The way to do that is simple. We click in deposit. I did it with the TRC20, which is instant transfer. I copied this address. I went to my wallet in Binance and I sent the TRC20 here. It takes just a couple of minutes. Then when you are copying any of the guys, let's say for example Oasis, you just click in copy trade in margin. When Oasis start to trade, then our account is gonna copy him with the amount of money that we set here. Let's say you want your account to copy all that he's doing with only 100 USDT. The system is gonna take 100 from your total balance. If you don't want the system to use the full balance, what you need to do is come here to advanced settings, click there, and right here where it says max open position principal, you set here the amount that you want the system to use to copy this trader. So let's say for Oasis, I just want to use 500. The rest of your balance, you're going to use it with a different trader. So you can copy, in this case, 5 trades if you leave it at 100. Usually the traders here are going to be opening trades 9 times a day. If you want to spread the cost, you can leave it then, let's say $50. So you will have 10 open positions. That's all you need to do here. All you need to decide, and then you clicking copy now. That's it, pretty simple. I have some options here, some guys that I really want to copy, so I will show you the results from those in my next video. This is all that I want to show you today. If you want to see my results in the next video, I want to invite you to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications from this channel. I will appreciate your likes and your comments down below. If you have any questions, you can leave those down there, or you can find me on Telegram. Remember, the link is in the description of this video. Thank you so much for staying here until the end. I hope to see you in the next one. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. Bye.